Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE-MAIN Shift-1 6th of September 2020 question. Question number 7. If A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector are position vector of a point A, B, C, D respectively in 3D space, number thereof A, B, C, D are collinear and satisfy the relation 3A minus 2B plus C minus 2D is equal to 0, then 4 options are given. This is the question in the house of position vector, and it's a memory based question. At first, let's suppose this is x vector, this is y vector, this is z, and this is w. So x plus y plus z vector plus w vector is equal to 0, as this equation is equal to 0 here. So this is equal to 0, and addition of the 4 vector is 0. Number 1 condition. Number 1 is addition of 4 vectors addition is equal to 0. Number 2 is coefficients are non-zero, as A's coefficient is equal to 3, 2, 1 and 2. So coefficients are non-zero. So coefficients are non-zero, and this is A, B, C are collinear. So these 3 condition gives that A, B, C are coplanar. A, B, C, D are coplanar, as from the theory. Now it is option 1, one type of option proof. Now second, otherwise we prove otherwise. The say option number 2. Here is the two choice of this question solution. So condition of this question is the 3 vector 3A minus 2B, the 4 vector plus C minus 2D is equal to 0, satisfy this condition. So just evaluate this, and we get 3A plus C is equal to 2B plus 2D. So that implies we divide both of side by 4. So it is 3A plus C, and 4 is, I just write down 4 as 3 plus 1, and it is divided by 4. So it is B plus D divide 2. So this is the condition here. So I write down in the vector as plotting this. So here is the 2 vector. It is A C vector, and here is the vector B, and it is D. So A and B is divided into which point divided A, C. It is 1:3, as it is 1:3 ratio. So and it is 1. So let's see this point which point divide a comma c in 3:1 or 1:3. The same point divide b comma d as 1:1. So and a comma b comma c comma d are collinear. So we easily say that therefore a comma b comma c comma d are collinear. Sorry, coplanar. Coplanar. So that's all, and our option is option 1. Option 1 is our right choice. So here is the whole solution. Now some important discussion about vector. What is vector? So at first, let's study what is vector. Just learn quantity with magnitude and direction. So in a single word, we explain vector as quantity with magnitude and direction. So just draw this as it is the point A and it is the point B. If this is the path where a something reach A to B. This is the path, let's suppose. So it is the distance here. So it is the distance, and it is also we know distance is the scalar property. Distance is a scalar quantity. Now in a single word, we may say the displacement is A to B. This is the displacement. So it is called the displacement. And what is displacement? It is with displacement measured with magnitude. So it is with magnitude. So it is clear that what is we may explore, that is quantity with magnitude and direction. So it is magnitude of a vector, and the direction is just like this. It is B to A, or reverse we call, that is minus sign, that is A to B. So always follow the vector law addition. Always follow the vector law addition. Vector law addition is what? What is vector law addition? So any angle. So just look at this. The two vector. It is 2A. And it is 3A. So when we add this, it become 5A. So it is called the resultant. It is called the resultant vector. So it is the addition of the vector. As suppose a current is flow a circuit, it is 2 ampere, it is 3 ampere, and the resultant of the supply is 5 ampere. So it is just like addition in simple algebraic addition. So here it is make an angle theta. So it is nothing important that what direction the current goes on, but it is only the addition of the two supplies, and it is the resultant of the main current. So now representation of the vector. Now representation of vector. How we represent a vector? It is called S vector A. Arrow shows that this vector goes this way, and let's suppose this is B vector. So this shows that this vector goes this way. So when we take plot a line, that is, here is A and here is B. So A goes to B and it is called a vector. So its direction is called, this is the direction from A to B. So here A is the initial point. A is what? A is the initial point. Initial A is initial point, and B is what? B is terminal point. And A to B, what is this? This is called, what is this? This is called magnitude. A to B, what is this? This is called magnitude. So it is clear that when we take arrow, this arrow shows that the vector goes this way, and this is called, this vector goes in reverse way. So that is a vector. We may write that is AB vector is equal to A. Just write down this way. So null vector is what? Now move on to null vector. Null vector is what? Vector with zero magnitude. That is a point. We may say that is a point. Not in this direction, not in that direction. That is point. A point is called null vector. So it is, in a word, we may say vector with zero magnitude. If a pen is put on this and we make no force and its displacement is not happen here, then it is the null vector. When any forces is not goes through the point, so it is called the null vector with zero magnitude. So here is the whole solution of question 7 JEE-MAIN 6th of September, and some introduction speech of vector. Any question, any query about this video or about this chapter, you may comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.